Hello and welcome to the English Literature, your go-to destination for all things literary. If you are among those gearing up for the MEG 7 term and exam, you might find the syllabus a bit overwhelming, right? Don't worry, you are not alone. I used to be in the same boat, opening my IGNOU books just days before the exam, struggling to figure out where to start and end. But today I am here to simplify the MEG 7 syllabus for you because I don't want you to face the same difficulties that I faced during my hunt for the master's degree from IGNOU. So let's dive in. MEG 7 or Indian English Literature comprises 8 blocks. Here is a quick rundown of what you will be covering. Block 1, that is non-fictional prose. Block 2, Untouchable by Mulk Rajanand. Block 3, Kanthapura by Raja Rao. Block 4, Clear Light of Day by Anita Desai. Block 5, Midnight's Children by Salman Rushdie. Block 6, The Short Story. Block 7, Poetry. Block 8, Tara by Mahesh Dattani. Blocks 1, 6 and 7 are quite extensive because they require you to delve into a plethora of prose, poetry and short stories. On the other hand, blocks 2, 3, 4 and 5 consist of Indian English novels and block 8 features an Indian English play. Now let's take a close look at blocks 1, 6 and 7 to discover what exactly you have to read in those blocks. You can pause the video here to have a careful look. So, in a nutshell, the MEG 7 syllabus includes 9 non-fictional prose works, 4 novels, 11 short stories, 35 poems, and 1 play. I know this might seem like a mountain of syllabus to tackle because in your second year you have got 3 more course codes to juggle alongside MEG 7 and each of them comes with similarly hefty syllabus. I also realize that if you had all the time in the world, you might not have opted for master's degree from IGNOU's open distance learning mode. So here is the plan. In our upcoming videos, we are going to streamline what you need to focus on for the term and exam. So stay tuned and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's make your academic journey smoother together. See you soon.